It's me ahead of the massive snowstorm on Sunday, prepping. We are Thursday, but tomorrow's gonna be super cold, so some stuff will be more painful to do, like emptying the compost. So I'm going to empty the compost while it's not frozen solid outside the pile, so I can dump it into it and put away some trash, and tomorrow I'll do other stuff. While it's not frozen solid, it's easier. Just for reference, I put that here so I can see it if I need it. Usually it's on the ground, and I put a stick if I need it. Okay, let's go fetch the trash can, and then I eat and go to work. All good. Massive snowstorm coming on Sunday, like 1 or 2 feet of snow, like 1 foot would be the minimum, so the bare minimum. So with maybe power outages, we don't know. So I'm going to go shopping at BJ's anyway. I was a little low on some stuff, so cheese and ham mainly, and fill up the car. Tomorrow I'll do the red tanks. Okay, that's me all done with BJ's. Now some gasoline and maybe some salt if I find it. It's craziness at the gas station. Craziness. Record that I'm Home Depot because I wanted this little bucket of salt. I have enough salt, but this little bucket because one is broken, and actually they are out of salt. They had the delivery this morning. 187 bags gone. I am all done, so no more little bucket of salt. I have an empty bucket, I can use that. Okay, with a little ham container, but I like this little bucket stuff. Okay, I'm going home.
circles, holding on a tie, keeping your feelings bottled up inside, heading for collision and denial. To really live, you gotta die. Breathe in, breathe out. Hey, come alive. Breathe in, breathe out. Look at the colors, colors, colors. Right. Moments pass, make this one count. Untie. You're so good at dragging yourself down. Why? Well, there ain't much time left to figure things out. Deep underneath all the laser, your doubts. There's a heart gone out of rhythm in despair. Hell underwater, fine for air. Breathing.
Quick breakfast, taking care of the cat stuff, and then quick shower, and I'm going to fill up the jerry cans for the generator and also a little bit for the snowblower. That's my list of stuff I have to do Saturday night, Saturday morning, etc. That's my list. Order of operation, I need to charge the battery for the generator, put in charge, and do the de-icer in the cars, and then I go fetch some gasoline. So first I have to retrieve the big 5 gallon and also the small one. It's me going, I'm all bundled up, even with a old jacket, taking some old gloves also, and going to charge the generator first and retrieve the jerry cans. Oh, actually I'm good, I already stocked up, I forgot. I have 2.5, so it makes 5 gallons for the snowblower. This one, this guy. But now I have to retrieve 2 big containers, 5 gallon each, from there. I'll remove the door first. So I'm relieved because I can open the door. It was not frozen solid, and it's not frozen in here. One time I put my foot there and I went down the stuff, so it's dry, so that's good. So let's grab 2, and then 1 for a dump, because I need to dump the one from all the gasoline that's in the snowblower, so I will need access to that, and if we have 2 feet of snow on top of this door, I will not have access, so we need the dump. It will be my dump, I will put it inside, it's empty anyway, because otherwise I won't have access. And the 5th one I will also put inside. This one I don't really need, just in case, if we need more gasoline than expected. Never. Because sometimes they have a shortage of this container in case of crisis, so let's take it. I won't do my level for obvious reasons, but I would need to do the de-icer anyway, and it's minus 25, it's minus 32 Celsius, hopefully it's enough. If I find a better one, I'll buy it. And I'll do Alex also before he leaves. Here we go. Almost full, that's good. So de-icer is done. It was almost empty, I guess. Here we go. It's up full to the rim. Unfortunately. Do it so. I empty it a little bit because it has no leeway. Shouldn't freeze though. Good. I think I have everything I need, because the rest I don't need really. I never use it. So if I need some oil I will use the car oil, and that's it. To get the gasoline tank because my car is full anyway, so let's go. And it's minus 11, but I feel like it's like minus 20 or something. So I clean my backup camera with a little bit of water, like quickly. And the time I went to the, and then I did that before going into the gas station. The time I went to the gas station and back, so 10 minutes, it's frozen already. Even though it's a car and I put the heat on, it's frozen. Stuff is hard, frozen. So I'm charging, you see the color, so it means there is like power. I'm charging the battery of the generator, so it will be easier. I charge it every 3 or 4 months anyway. But I mean, I just charged it before, so it's gonna go on like till 5 o'clock or 4 o'clock. And it's now something like 11 or something. Gasoline is done, so 10 gallons, so it was like $30 instead of 25, but I mean, it's closer, so. And we want that gas station to stay in business anyway. And also they have a generator, so they can pump gas even if there is an outage. Not all gas stations have that. So let's put that away and the outdoor stuff will be done. What we wake up to. This focus is better, so, and it's snowing like crazy. I don't know if it shows, but it's snowing heavily. So far not much, but only the beginning. Maybe at 5 o'clock or something. That's what we wake up to. We can see snow falling in front of the back of my car. It's falling quite heavily. We can check in on that. Celebrate the snowstorm. I'm getting croissant this morning for breakfast. The one I bought 2 days ago at BJ's. So why not, right? Almost white out. The door. Look at that. It's not Not much actually. Not much here, but maybe it's sheltered a little bit. Look at that, it's puking buckets. Heavy snow. Heavy snow. I let the door close because it's too cold. Look at that, and it starts to drift. It's actually sleeting now. You hear the sound? It's this sleet, it's not good. I prefer the snow. Now it's all these little marbles of pearls of sleet. I was hearing downstairs, I thought a cat was peeing, to tell you the truth. Hear that? Usually snow is quiet. Hear that? The same sound as rain, except it's sleet. Look at that. Look at the quantity. It's snowing again, but it's a mix of sleet and... because we hear sound, we shouldn't. Look at the height. So, that's me going... It's 3 o'clock. That's me going to do an outing to see how it goes. It's been sleeting for the past hour. So, I don't know. It's not as... Yeah, it still sounds like heavy rain, but it's sleet. We'll see how it goes. So that's me going to do an outing. I have my parka on, hot, mid-layers, camera, my boots, my pants with the gaiters, and I have a long john also because it's cold. It's -11 still. So let's do that. I'm taking a stick. I want to see the state of the road down the driveway. There we go. It's been sleeting like the past hour and a half. It's not rain, you can hear the sound. It's sleeting, so maybe it's an ice crust on top. It's still powdery. Look at this. I'm not even touching. Here we go. I'm touching, barely touching the wood. And you can hear the sound. Look at that. I hear the plow passing by. Look at that height. Look at the stairs. Look at the stairs. And it's sleeting. You hear the sound? It's a sound of rain, but it's frozen rain sleeting. Down the stairs. You cannot even see the stairs anymore. Look at that. One more stairs. One more, I think. Maybe one more, yes. Look at that, I should have... Look at that, it's the height of my little... So it's 30 centimeters of snow. It's a foot. It's the height of my little lamps. You don't even see the first stairs. It's gone. Look at that. That's how the backyard looks with the drift, and it's almost to the height of my... Yeah, it's almost above my boot, and I don't even reach the ground, so it's a good 30 centimeters, maybe 40. And you hear that sound? It's sleet, actually. So I'm not going to work on that, because it's going to be a nightmare to clean tomorrow. But we are cleaning tomorrow, not today. Too late anyway. the film when I go down. I'm gonna go in the middle. Look at my tracks. Look at that. That's a big one. That's a big one. Look at that. Look at that. The little lamps, they are gone, so it's 30 centimeters. That's it. It's a peak. It's about 4 dozen stops. It's really deep. This is very powdery for now. Clean the roads, obviously. We didn't salt them. See all that little debris, it's because it was sleeting, so it shredded the leaves, the needles from the pine trees. Look at that! Look at that! Look at that! Oh my gosh! Look at that! So the road is plowed but not salted, not treated because they have no more salt. So it's gonna be a sheet of ice tomorrow. And look at the heights. Look at the heights. Oh my gosh. Neighbors is ATV. Another round. And that's how my tracks looks. But in car driving though, look at it. It's halfway my stick. My stick is like 110, 105. So that? Look at that, look at that. That's half of my stick.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know, really wanna know.
Big dome on the Look at the chairs. They are to the seat. They are very up to their seat.
You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high, even if the sky is falling down.
That's my little tires. When I did my plantation, they disappeared. They just disappeared. And the big one is buried.
Trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know, really wanna know if
That's falling. It's not snow, it's sleet. That's why it doesn't, otherwise it would be way more, it would be like 2 feet, because it's more compact and it doesn't pile up as fresh fluffy snow. If it were like falling snow, real snow, snowflakes, it would be 2 feet of snow, but the stuff is compact. Look at that. That's in the snow. My hands are freezing cold because I have the super thin gloves because I need to operate the camera. So there you go, that's in the garden.
even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down.
Going back inside and get the hot chocolate. Some kids are having fun, that's good. Look at my tracks. My wood pile is buried, basically. Tomorrow we have to unearth that stuff, which is a snowblower. Empty the gasoline. Look at that snow drifting. Oh my gosh, that's blowing on the roof and everywhere. Look at that, look at that. 13 oh, it's snow again, and it's like slick, it's not really snow. See like this little, how it looks, it's different than snow, it's not flakes, it's little pellets. So it's sleet and it covers my stairs and it covers my track, so it's going to be interesting tomorrow morning. I made some croissant with ham and cheese. I'm watching. Outside. Oh, it's still snowing. Still snowing, sleeting. Yeah, still. You see that with the light. So that's what we did. So not much more than yesterday night, but a little bit more because the stairs are covered again. Okay.